Hi friends, Kumud here. Welcome back to Kumudni's home garden. You see the garden at this time looking so beautiful. This is a source of happiness for me, friends. And working in this area refreshes me a lot. So just have a look at my pretty garden. Give me some encouragement by subscribing my channel if you are here for the first time. So in today's video, friends, a very common plant and very easy to grow plant I have brought in front of you, and I'll just show you that its name is Creeping Charlie. Creeping Charlie is a very easy to grow plant, friends, and when I got it from a friend, she said that it is a kind of coleus, but later on I found out that it's not coleus, its name is Creeping Charlie, and it was growing wild now, so I started chopping these drooping vines from this so that I can refresh it by mending the soil and putting some compost in this. So I got to clean it also. So I thought that I'll introduce the beginner gardeners to this plant. This is a very easy to grow plant, friends, and it looks like its leaves looks like spearmint. But this is not spearmint, so please don't eat it, okay? Yeah. So I'm going to cut it like this. See, half of it I've already cut. It's very easy. Just ruthlessly you can cut it. And then you will get so many of cuttings, and you can put it somewhere in your garden for the later use, or just distribute among your friends, or whatever you want to do with this, because I'm just concerned about the potted one. You see this one. So I'll mend the soil and put some compost and then refresh it, and then it will start growing again. So this plant doesn't need any care, friends. Just monthly you can put some chemical or organic, any type of compost in this, or fertilizers in this, and then it will keep on growing. It doesn't need much attention also. You just keep it in a corner of your garden and it will keep growing, you know. We don't have to touch it or prune it every time we see the drooping leaves. Just once in a year it is sufficient to do that. And the soil, it doesn't need any kind of specific soil, friends, because it can survive in any kind of soil. At present this pot is having some well draining soil. That's all, you know, it needs, like the other plants of your garden. It doesn't tolerate much of heat, friends. Yeah, we have to keep only this consideration, that you have to keep it under some tree or in some shady area, or where it doesn't get direct heat of the sun. Little bit it will tolerate. It's a hardy plant, but then not much of it. So friends, this was a very small video about this plant, Creeping Charlie. Creeping Charlie, very funny name, maybe because it spreads and it creeps around like mad. So maybe, I don't know why they have given this name to this plant. So anyway, friends, my video is over here, and it's a small video, and please subscribe to the channel if you are first time on my channel, and give me some encouragement, friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Happy gardening.